Information about Buckingham Palace. 1. Location. Buckingham Palace is located in the city of Westminster, London, England. It is situated at the end of the Mall, a wide avenue leading to Trafalgar Square. 2. Official residence. Buckingham Palace is the official residence and administrative headquarters of the British monarch. It has served as the principal residence of the reigning monarch since Queen Victoria in 1837. 3. Size and layout. The palace is a sprawling building with over 775 rooms, including 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 19 staterooms, 188 staff bedrooms, and 78 bathrooms. The staterooms are used for official and ceremonial purposes. 4. Changing of the guard. One of the popular attractions at Buckingham Palace is the changing of the guard ceremony, which takes place in the forecourt of the palace. It is a traditional ritual where the new guard replaces the old guard, accompanied by music and marching. 5. Gardens. The palace is surrounded by beautiful gardens spanning around 39 acres. The gardens are home to a large variety of flora and fauna, including rare and exotic plants. During the summer months, the gardens are open to the public. 6. State visits and ceremonies. Buckingham Palace plays host to numerous state visits, official receptions, and ceremonies. It is the venue for significant events like investitures, royal weddings, and the Trooping the Colour ceremony, which marks the Queen's official birthday. 7. Buckingham Palace as a symbol. The palace is an iconic symbol of the British monarchy and the United Kingdom. It attracts millions of tourists each year who come to witness its grandeur and learn about the country's royal history. Please note that some areas of Buckingham Palace, such as the private apartments of the royal family, are not open to the public. However, visitors can explore the state rooms during the summer months when the Queen is not in residence. Thank you and subscribe us to see more world valuable information.